Mr. Defense Counsel, yung nature ba ng tinutukoy mo na civil case, in rem o in persona?
In rem, Your Honor, because it involves ownership, issue on ownership.
Kapag in rem po ba, bound ang buong mundo?
Yes, insofar as those parties connected to the case is concerned.
Bound ba ang mundo or yung parties lamang?
When it is
Kapag in rem?
Of course, those who are privy to the case are bound, Your Honor.
Pero kapag in rem po, pinatinutukoy natin yung ownership ng property,
ownership,
enforceable ito against the whole world, right?
Yes, Your Honor, but the indispensable parties must be impleaded, properly impleaded in the case. Like, for example, Your Honor, heirs of Clemente Andam. Who are the heirs of Clemente Andam? Were they impleaded, Your Honor? They are indispensable parties to the suit. They should have been impleaded to the suit, considering that the action is one in rem. They are indispensable parties, Your Honor. But nonetheless, they did not implead them.
All right.